In this video, we are going to review the best vacuum cleaner for mattress available in the current market. After reviewing 15 days of research and interviewing and consumer survey, we compiled this best list for you. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Max Handheld Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Black Plus Decker Max Handheld Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is one of the best vacuum cleaners for you to clean sofa or bed. This great vacuum can pivot up to 200 degrees so that it can clean at several angles. This machine comes with a strange portable design for easy cleaning in a narrow space or several angles. Its strong suction-free power is used for cleaning quickly, and cyclonic action allows for spinning dust and debris away from the filter. This mattress cleaner has a convenient charging base so that you will not be limited when cleaning. It also helps you to clean your pet hair or fine dust on the sofa and bed in a quiet way. Number 2. Dibea Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. The powerful UV bed vacuum cleaner from Dibea is a multi-purpose product that can be used to clean carpets, mattresses, pillows, sofas, and curtains. With a frequency of 6,000 vibrations per minute, it will clean any bed bugs, dust, and allergens on your mattress. If you are looking for a perfect vacuum cleaner to buy a loved one, this is the perfect product because it has a 14.7-foot long cord and a 500 ml dust bag. It has a HEPA filter that traps dust lifted from mattresses. Lastly, this mattress vacuum cleaner is very easy to use because it is very light. However, it has one major drawback. Most customers feel like the cord gets in the way of cleaning duties. If you have issues with cords, you are better off buying a cordless one. Number 3. Dibea 15 kPa Powerful Suction UV Bed Vacuum Cleaner. This Dibea model is an outstanding UV mattress cleaner with advanced UV quartz sterilization and automatic protection. The UV quartz sterilization tube makes it perfect to work on mattresses, sofas, carpets, pillows, etc. With high frequency based on 15 kPa suction, it runs with 6,000 times/min vibration to beat out bed bugs, dust allergens, dust mite, and stuck them inside the vacuum for thorough cleaning. Plus, it uses HEPA filters to trap tiny debris and microorganisms on fabric. With an extra HEPA filter and a brush included, it could be your best bed vacuum. Number 4. VacLife Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This is one of the most powerful vacuum cleaners in this review. It has incredible suction capabilities and does a brilliant job of pulling bed bugs up from lower layers of the mattress. It has a powerful battery that takes a relatively short time to charge, about 3 hours from 0 to 100%, and it looks sleek and well designed. Let's not forget to mention how compact and easy to store away it is. Number 5. RAYCOP Mattress Vacuum. RAYCOP Light Vacuum for Mattress is one of the most technologically sound products among the handheld vacuum cleaners available in the market right now. It is also fitted with a UV lamp to exterminate the dust mites, bed bugs, and other microorganisms then and there. However, the difference is the UV wavelength in the RAYCOP mattress vacuum cleaner is calibrated and tested with lab-grade SOPs to authenticate its bug and bacteria-killing capability. The results show that even the tiniest of microorganisms, like E. coli and Staphylococcus, can't survive under the UV action of RAYCOP vacuum cleaner. From bacteria to dust mites, all troubling organisms perish within the exposure of 1 to 2 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.
Fuck her in the Benz.